Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks on this 2020 Toyota 4Runner. We put a 2.5-inch Old Man Emu Lift Kit on it, some 1.5-inch wheel spacers, and a 285/70/17 tire. But here are our tips and tricks for the Old Man Emu Lift Kit. The biggest tip that we have: one, you need a strut compressor. You can either go rent these at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever your local auto parts store is, or you can have the big machine like we have here. Two, go ahead and buy new top hats, especially if you have a TRD Pro or something with some fancy suspension that you're going to want to resell, because when you buy the Old Man Emus, they retain the factory top hats. These go on top of the struts. We would tell you go buy new top hats so you can sell your old parts. And again, just to follow up, if you don't have those spring compressors, you will not be able to install this lift. So make sure you have the spring compressors before you pull the whole car apart. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to put it back together without Ubering or lifting or calling your mom to take you to the auto parts store to get what you need in order to make this happen. Now, if you have questions on exactly what tires and how we made these wheels fit and look like this, go watch our walkthrough video. If you want to know what we needed to do in order to make this tire and wheel setup fit, go watch our Will It Fit video. I'll tell you exactly what we needed to do to make this setup fit just like this. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. We are the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We're here to serve you however we can, so do not hesitate to leave a comment, give us a call, shoot us a text, 833-268-2577. We would love to serve you today.